Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome again to this video. In today's video I'm going to be making sandwich recipe today, a special one, delicious one. This is what we are going to be making today. I know you will love it, and after making the meal you will love it and you will try it and let me know. Before I continue making, before showing you the ingredients for this sandwich, I will like to apologize for not posting content for some months now. It's actually something it's an urgent leave that I just left like that without notifying any of you. I'm sorry about that, and not uploading content that you will love, or even I'm sorry about that. I'm back again. Please forgive me. This time I'll make it up to you. So I hope you enjoy it and enjoy the recipe. So let's dive into the video. Let me show you my ingredients for making the sandwich. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Here we have our lettuce, washed lettuce. Here we also have our bread. I'll be explaining in details later. Here we have our tomatoes. We might not use all of them. Here we have our parsley, and this is a 1/3 cup of parsley. Here we have our salt to taste. Here we have our 2 cloves of garlic, and here we have our onion, 1 onion, and here we have our cheese that we are going to be using, and here we have our chicken slice. And also we are going to be making the sauce for this recipe. So here is the bowl I'm going to be using. For making this sauce, we need 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of yellow mustard. Here we need this is where we need our parsley. So right away we need to grate in this garlic. So right away I am going to be using my hand mixer to mix this together. Okay, this is the first step for making this sandwich. So we are going to set it aside. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be chopping the tomato. So here we are going to slice 2 plump tomatoes. So now this one, we are going to prepare this as well. So the next thing we are going to work on is the onions. So we are going to transfer it into the bowl. So we're going to set it aside. So the next thing is we are going to prepare the pan we are going to use to, give this a good look. Next thing is that we are going to pop in our olive oil. So now the oil is, at least we can feel the heat. So the next thing we're going to do is to pass in our tomatoes. And sprinkle in some pinch of salt. As you can see, some of them has changed color at the bottom. So that is why I'm turning it over. All of them may not get ready the same time, but at least I know the ones I put first. So we'll make this for about, let's say, 10 minutes. But we'll make sure, because I'm stirring it, to make sure that it doesn't get burned. That's the essence of stirring it. So the both sides cook as well. So I think it's ready now. So what I'll do is to off the heat and then bring out this tomato little by little. You can see how yummy the tomato is. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to toast our bread. I'm going to leave it here. Now, instead of wasting this oil, there is no need to waste. So what we are going to do is to on our heat again. We are going to toast our bread. So like I said, we are going to be talking about this bread. This bread contains 4 cereals. It also contains 2 seeds, and that is flax and sunflower seeds. It also contains barley flakes and oat flakes. So that is why I prefer it, because this is so healthy. You can't afford to miss this. So for we to toast it, you can see I have a small pan here. I don't have a big one that can contain this, because this bread is a bit big, right? So we are going to do this like, let's say two or 3 times for toasting this bread. So the oil is already hot, so we are going to pop in. We are going to be toasting only one side. That is the one below. We are going to be leaving here, because here will be where we will add our sauce and every other thing. So keep checking on it. You can use toaster if you have one. I have, but for the sake of this video, I just want to do this here once and for all. No need. So no need of packing this, removing this, bringing in the toaster or whatsoever. No. So you can see the bread is the whole wheat bread, and which is, as we all know, is more healthy, made with 4 seeds. So let's see how our bread is going. You can see. So I think this one is ready. We are going to transfer it. So let's bring it out and leave it like that. So the next thing is the assembly. I don't know how many of you love the assembly parts. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, right? Like for real, for real, for real. Sometimes the assembly part is not just good, but is the part that I love, and the part of enjoying the meal is also the part I love. So let's start with, right away, we are going to be, pouring our, let's start immediately. You can pour good amounts of this sauce. You can pour good amounts of the sauce on top of your bread. Like, it's very healthy. You will love this sandwich. You will love it. It's a very cheap. It's something that doesn't cost you much, I'll be leaving the ingredients and the measurements in the description, maybe where you can get it. The next thing is our lettuce. So we're going to just maybe one or two. No, one is small, so we're going to be adding 2 lettuce. So the next thing we are going to be doing is the tomato also. So we're going to be adding in the tomato. Okay, I think this is a good amount, right? So the next thing we are going to be add is the onion. I would like to add mine like this, just not much, not too much, just little of it, not so much. You will love this. This is yummy. So we are done with the onions. The next thing we are going for is the cheese. We might be adding 2, or let's say 3 cheese. But let's try 2 and see how it goes. What are you doing? Like I said, the dressing part is not that good enough. So now it's remaining the last one, and that's the chicken. So the next thing now is we need to, add the sauce here also. Yeah, the sauce should go here. What do you think? For me, I think so. If you think the sauce is too much, what is the essence of this recipe without the sauce? For me, it doesn't make sense. The sauce is the main thing. Okay, so right now this is a good one. So let's do the transferring from the table to this place and take a look at it. How do you see it? How do you see it? So the next thing now is to oops. Oh no! Echo. Now we have done it. Now you can see it. How do you see this? I hope you like it. So right away, let's go in testing this, because this is a part I love so much, and I know you too love testing, right? So come and join me. Wow, you can see. This is crust even. I like the way the back is very like crisp. I encourage you to try it out. It doesn't cost much. With the amount of the ingredients, it doesn't cost much. And what I love about it is the healthy of it. There is a lot of vegetables here. There is also chicken. There is also cheese, and the bread is also wholemeal bread, because it is encouraged that we eat wholemeal. Wholemeal is the best, and it helps, it holds as well. So I hope you enjoy this meal. And if it does, if you have watched to this level, you have not given me the like button, I encourage you to give me the like button. At the same time, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to your lady, Maryann. Maryann in the house. I'm back again. Feel free to let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to see you in the next video. Bye.